Brew 2 review with Beer Mando. Got a brew coming out of Belching Beaver Brewery out of San Diego, California. This brew is their caramel mocha latte stout. Comes in at 6% ABV. Let's get this one cracked open. Let's get this one reviewed. Smells nice and golden ale-y and caramely. Wow. All right, so it's got the thickness of a stout, so it's a kind of medium thickness, but it tastes kind of like caramel mocha latte or something like that, like caramel coffee up front. Oh man, this is really, really good. Guess we'll see where we're at here in just a little bit after a single 16-ounce can. This stuff is really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 9 out of 10. It's nice and golden ale-y, kind of creamy ale-y a little bit. Um, excuse me. And if you like caramel lattes, like coffee-based beers, and it's not as like heavy on the roasty as a normal stout. But the only point it loses is the standard. I wish it was slightly stronger, just because I'm from Wisconsin and we do our beers so crazy strong that, yeah. If you like this type of video, go ahead and give me a like and follow. Cheers.